welcome back to my channel. Today's video, that was water, I just washed my hands. So on today's video, I'm going to be doing an interesting video, and it's what's inside my beauty blender. I kind of feel bad because I don't want to cut my beauty blender in half, but I mean, this beauty blender is at least 3 to 4 years old, so I need to get rid of it anyways because this is just unsanitary. So I'm going to be cutting into my beauty blender. So before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and also give it a thumbs up at the end if you liked it. So I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube where people cut their beauty blenders and they find bugs inside it. I don't think mine's gonna have a bug. I don't think so. Let's hope not. So I've seen a lot of videos where people cut their beauty blenders, and recently I saw Emily Price's video where she cuts her beauty blender and it has mold on it. I kind of don't want mine to have mold because that's just disgusting, and I've been putting this on my face. So I'm going to be cutting my beauty blender. I just used it previous to this video because I did film this makeup look. It's a get ready with me chit chat kind of video. So I did use it, but I did wash it. And even though you wash your beauty blenders, like, they still get stained. Like, if you guys can see mine, it has stained. This is not even like the pink that the beauty blender comes in anymore because it's already real, like, worn out, washed out. It just washes off the color, so it just turned out like this baby pink color. So if you guys can see, all this is stained and the bottom is stained as well, and it's already like ripped in here and some places over here because of my nails. I rip them with my nails a lot. Any kind of beauty blender I rip with my nails. So I heard that when you rip your beauty blenders, you need to throw them out because a lot of bacteria stays in there. But I just refuse to throw them away because, I mean, they're so expensive and you want to use them as long as you can. So I'm kind of sad because I don't want to tear this beauty blender apart, but I'm going to have to. So this is the actual beauty blender. So I'm going to grab some scissors with yarn, whatever it is. So I'm going to grab some scissors and I'm going to cut this in half, and we're going to see what it has like cut in half, and then I'm going to be like cutting more and more and more. So here I go. I'm going to cut it in half. Oh my god, I cut it in half. Well, I mean, it doesn't look like it has anything on it. I mean, it's just like, it has a little bit of makeup, but I mean, it doesn't look like it has any mold or anything. Let's cut the smaller one from here. Oh, I just don't want to cut myself. So nothing, like, it has nothing, so I'm pretty happy about that. Let's cut the tip in half. Nope, it has nothing on it, so that's good. Let's cut this other one. No, it has nothing. I mean, it's still like a little bit darker of the pink because it's from the inside, but it has nothing. Let's see the big one because this is the part that I use most. Let's cut this. And no, I mean, it still has a little bit of foundation in there, but nothing crazy, no bugs. Let's try this one. Yeah, I mean, there's foundation in there, like build up foundation, but it's nothing crazy. I do not see mold or anything. Let's see this one. No, it's still like, nope, nothing on them. So there's nothing exciting to show you guys, but I'm so happy my beauty blender did not have any mold or bugs on them or anything. So this is what my beauty blender looks like right now. It looks like my dogs chewed on them. So I'm so happy it did not have any mold, but I'm sad because I cut my beauty blender. So yeah, I know this was a short video, but I just wanted to see what my beauty blender had inside and what I was putting on my face. So I'm so happy I was not putting any bacteria on my face, because I mean, I do wash it every time I use it. So I think that's a good thing. Like, if you wash your beauty blender every time you use it, I think it lasts more than if you don't. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!